Right. Good evening, everyone. Online students, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you hear the screen? Sorry. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Please respond in the chat. Perfect. Perfect. So, guys, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. All right. So, let us start our session here today. So, guys, yes, before starting our sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concepts which are covered in our last class. So, last class, that is Saturday. Saturday, yes. What are the concepts which you had covered? Like we discussed about, come on. We discussed about class loader, class area, heap area, stack, piece registers, native method stack. Basically, internal architecture of JVM. We had covered internal architecture of JVM. And then, yes, we had seen what is the difference between JVM, JRE, JDK. So up to here, we had covered this, guys. Okay. Now, let us start with our remaining concepts. Now, guys, our next topic is actually very simple concept. No need to write. No need to write. I'll upload this in the Google Classroom. No need to write. Okay. Right. Our next concept is Java buzzwords in simple features. Features of Java. So, where or when we will be using these in our interviews, when we need to use this. Come on, settle down, please. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Just wait for 2 more minutes, please. Let everyone come. Come on, come on. Be fast, be fast. Online students, just wait for 2 minutes. All right. All right. Now, please settle down. Please settle down. Settle down, settle down. Great. Okay. Now, so guys, Java buzzwords. Java buzzwords are features of Java. Generally, where or when we will be using this, especially non-IT students, especially non-IT students. Like if you are shifting your career from core to IT, like from your core subjects to IT, you will 100% you will get this question. And that question is why? Why IT? To be precise, why Java? At that particular point of time, you need to defend your programming choice. Not only for non-IT, for IT people also. For example, in interview, if you face this question, why Java? Why you want to choose your career as Java? What you will answer? Java developers will be getting more salaries? No, you should not be saying like that. Of course, you'll be getting more salaries, but you should not be saying like that. Sir, my brother told no. My senior told no way. No, not like that. Then how? Sir, if I'm IT, I'll be getting married fast. No way. Come on. Don't say that. Now, guys, if you are facing this question, you should respond in a such a way that interviewer should be satisfied with your answer. For example, let us take Marvel and DC comics. You know Marvel comics? Examples? Come on, come on. Movies like Iron Man is there, Captain America is there, Black Panther. A lot of movies are there. Avengers. Yes or no? DC comics. Give me some examples. Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman. Right now in Marvel and DC, what is your favorite? Why? Exactly. Why? You should be able to justify your answer, and you can justify your answer also. Am I right or wrong? Like that, like that. For example, if you are choosing your career in Java, why? Why you are choosing your career in Java? You should be able to justify your answer such that, sir, Java is simple. Java is robust. Robust means strong. Java is highly interpreted. One of the superpowers of Java is platform independent. Java is simple, object oriented, robust, multi-threaded, architectural neutral. All these are all these are features of Java. So if you face this question interview, why Java? You can use these features. You can use these features to say, to express your passion towards Java. And guys, once again, I am saying you, especially for non-IT students, whenever you are answering this question, that passion should be visible in your eyes. Don't simply by heart and don't simply answer. The reason why you are coming Java, why you are choosing Java. Trust me, by the end of core Java, you will fall in love with Java. Java. Okay. By the end of our core Java completion of our core Java classes, you will fall in love with Java. So you should express your passion towards Java. We can use these words. That's it, not more than that. So all these are features, guys. Features. So excluding here, you will not be using these anywhere else. In interview, if you face this question like why Java, we need to use this as simple as this. Am I clear with this? Right, right. Now, next side heading as no need to write. I'll upload this in the Google Classroom. No need to write. No need to write. Now, our next side heading as, please keep your next side heading, understanding Java class. Understanding a Java class. Okay. Note on a first point for me, please. Note on a first point. Class is a idea of an object. A Java class is an idea of an object. A Java class is a Java class is a idea of an object. Point number two. Point number two. Syntax. Guys, I believe you know the syntax of a class. Syntax. Syntax of a Java class. Come on. Access modifier. Access modifier. Access modifier. Class. Class name. Open braces and close braces. Class name. Open braces and close braces. This is the syntax of a Java class. And you already know that inside a Java class, we can write variables, we can write methods, we can create objects, and we can write blocks also. Sir, we already covered this. Yes, yes. I'm not saying no for that. We already covered this. Okay. Now, when you're speaking about types of classes, types. Guys, do you remember how many types of classes are there? Yes or no? How many? Two types. What are those? Predefined and user defined. Predefined classes and user defined classes. And every Java predefined class always starts with a exactly. Every Java predefined class always starts with a capital letter, and Java user defined classes can start with both small letters and capital letters, but it is highly recommended to start a Java class name with a capital letter. Sir, we already covered this. Yes, I'm not saying no for that. We already covered this. Now, actually, I want to ask you some questions, like very important questions, most frequently asked question. Right. Now, questions. Question number one. Just let me try to go like basic QUESTIONS. Basic questions. Right. Now, first question. Just let me try to go with like one. Right. First question is, can we create an empty Java file? Can we create an empty Java file and compile and run it? First, understand the question. And whenever you are saying yes and no, your answer should be applicable for two cases. Why two cases? Because, guys, you already know this. If we want to see the output of our Java program, how many tasks we need to do? Come on, two tasks. What are those? Compilation and running. So if you are saying yes means, are you saying yes for compilation, or else are you saying yes for running? If you are saying no means, are you saying yes for compilation, or are you saying no for running, or else for both? Did you understand the question here? Now, can we create an empty Java file? Okay, first let me just try to create an empty Java file. Okay, let me remove this. And this is a Java file. Is there any data present here? Nope, there is no data. Now, this is a empty Java file. There is no data. Now, I want to compile and run it. Now, did you understand the question? Now tell me, is it possible or not? No for what? Both? Your answer is no for both compilation and running? Okay. All right. All right. Let us check. Let us check. Let me open my command prompt. Now, I'm trying to give the command. You know the command for compilation. What is the command for compilation? Java C space file name dot Java. Okay, file name dot Java. If I press enter button, am I going to get an error or not? Am I going to get an error? No error. Let us check. 3, 2, 1, enter. Did I got any error? Is my program compiled? Dot class file generated? Dot class file generated. Why? Why dot class file did not got generated? Guys, come on, answer this question. What would be the name of the dot class file? Come on, come on. What would be the name of the dot class file? Same as, where is our class? Do we have any class here? That is the reason dot class file did not generated. And without dot class file, can you run it? So what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? Let me explain this. Guys, please listen. I'm going to say the answer. First listen. First listen. Question is, can we create an empty Java file and compile and run it? We can compile. Dot class file will not be generated. Why? Because there is no class. As there is no dot class file, we cannot run it. Dot. Did you understand the answer? Once again, I'm repeating. We can compile, but dot class file will not be generated. Why? Because there is no class. There is no Java class. As there is no dot class file, we cannot run it. Write the answer by your own. Come on. Try to write the answer by your own. Use your own statements. Use your own statements. Understand the concept. Understand the concept. Question is, can we create an empty Java file and compile and run it? Frame your own answers. No problem. Forget about grammatical mistakes. Just concentrate on the topic. Concentrate on the concept. Guys, come on, concentrate. Right. Complete? Right, right. Take time. Take time. No problem. No problem. Yes. Now, Sujana, try to write it in your notes, okay? Just try to write it in your notes. Now, next question. Can we create an empty Java class, compile and run it? First question is different, second question is different. First question is different, second question is different. Can we create an empty Java class and compile and run it? What do you think? Okay, just let me try to show you this. For example, empty Java class. Okay, let me make this as public class A, open braces and close braces. Empty Java class. There is no data. There is no data. Now my question is, can I compile and run this program? Can I compile and run this? Okay, just let me try to open my command prompt. Opening my command prompt. Okay, online students, you need to respond in the chat. Come on, please. Make sure you're answering. Make sure you're answering. Okay, now I want to compile Java C space file name dot Java. Java. Guys, once again, I'm saying you. Question is, can we compile and run an empty Java class? So here, this is empty Java class. Okay, now let us check. I'm trying to press enter button. 3, 2, 1, enter. Can we compile? Dot class file generated. What is the name of the dot class file? Same as class name. Remember, same as class name, not file name. Same as class name. Okay, now can we run it? Can we run it? What is the command for running? Java space generated dot class file name. Now, guys, kindly please do remember this. I already said this. Once again, I'm saying you. If you want to compile a Java program, main method is not required. Main method is not required for compiling a Java program. And I'm pretty much damn sure you know what do you mean by compilation also. Do you know what do you mean by compilation? Yes or no? What do you mean by compilation? Checking the code whether we have written according to the Java language syntax or not. In order to compile a Java program, we don't need main method. Again, I'm saying you. Guys, compilation is different. Running is different. Please don't get confused. Compilation will be taken care by the Java compiler. Running will be taken care by the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. I repeat, in order to compile a Java program, you don't need main method. But if you want to run your Java program, running Java program, writing main method is mandatory. If you are not writing main method, you cannot run the Java program. Am I clear with this? Now, please answer my question. For compiling a Java program, do I need main method? Answer. For running a Java program, do I need main method? 100%. 100%. Now tell me, if I execute my program right now, if I press enter button, am I going to get an error or not? 3, 2, 1, pressing enter. I am getting an error, and that error is main method not found in class A. Did you understand the concept here? Now, the answer for this question is, we can compile dot class. Listen, first listen. Come on, listen. Guys, understand the concept. The answer for this question is, can we create an empty Java class and compile and run it? Okay. We can compile, dot class file will be generated, but we cannot run it. Why? Because in an empty Java class, there will not be any main method. In order to run a Java program, writing main method is mandatory. For compilation, main method is not required. Go ahead. Go ahead. Just understand the concept and try to write it in your own statements. Make sure you're writing the answer. Don't sit idle. Use your own sentences. Frame your own sentences. If you know the concept, you can answer it. Writing? Completed? Right. Right. Now, next question. So, guys, once again, I'm saying you, can we create an empty Java class and compile and run it? We can compile, dot class file will be generated, but we cannot run it. Why? Because in an empty Java class, we will not be having any main method. For compilation, main method is not required, but for running, main method is mandatory. Dot. Clear? Right, right. Now, next question. Next question. Yeah, this is interesting question. Is it mandatory that Java class name and file name should be same? Okay. Now, once again, is it mandatory that Java class name and file name should be same? Online students, I'm requesting you, kindly please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Don't sit idle, guys. Come on, involve in the class, please. Right. Come on, guys. What do you think? Is it mandatory? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll do one thing. Let me come to my. Okay. I'm removing this. And this is a Java class. Let me just try to have a main method, please. Main method. Come on. Public static void main string array args. How many parameters main method is having? How many parameters main method is having? Take a stand. Come on, just take a stand. What you are thinking, just say the number. One or two. One parameter. One parameter. And what is that parameter? No. String array. String array. Okay, guys, for example, void method 1 int a comma int b. Okay, void method 2 Okay. Void, listen. Void method 3. String ARR comma int x. Now main method. Now answer my question. How many parameters method 1 is having? How do you know 2? Because those are separated by a comma. 2 parameters. Both are int parameters. How many parameters method 2 is having? 1 parameter. And this is of type array. Array. Sir, what is actually an array? Array collects multiple elements of similar data types. Of course, we'll be trying to cover this. Just wait for it. Now, my question is once again, method 2, how many parameters it is having? Type. Don't say int. Int array. Int is different. Int array is different. I hope it's clear, guys. Now tell me, method 3, how many parameters it is having? 2 parameters. Type, string array and int array. Now tell me, main method, how many parameters? Only 1. And what is its type? Exactly. String array. Please don't say string. String array. Okay. Okay. Now just let me try to remove this. Now let me come back to my program here. Okay. So string array, and here just let me try to. Okay. And just I'm writing system.out.println. System.out.println. And here I'm just trying to write hello world. That's it. Sir, what is this args? What is this? Wait, why main method should be declared as public static void main? We'll be discussing. I want you to kindly please wait for it. Okay. Now this is a Java class, and inside this class I'm just having a main method. Inside the main method, system.out.println hello world. Okay. Now what is my question? Is it mandatory that Java class name and file name should be same? Okay, I'll do one thing, guys. Let me just try to change my class name as Fusion. Now, what is my class name? What is my file name? I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. File name is different. Class name is different. Let us check. Once again. Please observe. File name is different. Class name is different. Okay, then. Now let us check. Let me open my command prompt. And come on, you know the command for compilation. Java C space. File name. What is my file name? Class A dot Java. Come on, guys. Do you think that am I going to get any error? Yes or no? 3, 2, 1. We will be getting an error. So now tell me, is it mandatory that Java file name and class name should be same? No. Once again, is it mandatory that Java file name and class name should be same? No. Once again, I'm asking you, is it mandatory that Java file name and class name should be same? Guys, why you are saying yes, sir? I'm saying no. Let me help you with this. Guys, please answer this question. How many access modifiers are there? Come on. How many we can use for a class? What is the access modifier for this class? Let me make this as right now. Come on. Okay. Now, just let me try to save it. Now, opening my command prompt once again. Opening my command prompt once again. And come on, you know the command for compilation. Java C space file name dot Java. Shall I press enter button? 3, 2, 1, enter. Is it compiled? Dot class file generated. What is the name of the dot class file? Same as class name. That is Kishan. Did you understand the concept here? Now tell me what is the command for running. Java space class A. Class A or Kishan? Why? Generated dot class file name. Now did you understand why we are saying Java space generated dot class file name? Now just let me try to give it like this, and 3, 2, 1, enter. We will be getting our gorgeous output. As simple as this. Did you understand the concept here, guys? Now tell me, can we, like, is it mandatory? Is it mandatory to write Java file name and class name should be same? Yes. Yes. But you should be explaining your answer. When yes, if the class is declared as public. When no, if the class is declared as default. So the answer for this question, actually it is a hypothetical question. The answer for this question is, you need to explain clearly, guys. You need to explain clearly. Means there are 4 access modifiers are there. In these 4, we can use only 2 for a class. What are those? Public and default. If the class is declared as public, then it is mandatory that Java file name and class name should be same. But if the class is declared as default, it's not mandatory. You can have class name different and file name different. But it is highly recommended to have same file name as class name. Dot. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Sir, why? Why if you are writing public, it is mandatory? Why if you are writing default, it is not mandatory? You will be understanding this concept once we declare, like once we discussed about scope of access modifiers. I want you to just kindly please wait for that. Am I clear with this? Write the answer. Come on, use your own statements. Question. Write the answer precisely. Write the answer precisely. Take time. Take time. What you are doing? Right? Right? Don't sit idle in my class. Take time. Frame your own sentences. Take time. It's okay. Whatever you understand the concept, just put it on a paper. If you face the same question interview, how you are going to answer? Take time. Give precise answer. You can do this. Frame your own sentences. And it's okay to take time. Please don't think like grammatical mistakes will be coming. Come on, leave it. Just understand the concept. If you know the concept, shoot the answer. That's it. If you face the same question interview, how you are going to answer? So try to answer in that manner. Your answer should be precise. Once again, I'm saying you, up to now, you know the access modifiers names and number. You don't know their scope. Wait, wait for it. Day by day, we'll be trying to increase our concepts. Please wait for it. Wait for it. What is the scope of public, private, protected, default? What is the difference? We'll discuss that. Wait, please wait. All right. Next question. Is it done? Completed? Next question. Come on. I believe you can answer this question. Actually, what are user defined classes and methods and predefined classes and methods? So, very simple. Guys, you already know this. How many types of classes are there? What are those? Predefined and user defined. Predefined classes are the classes which are directly given by the Sun Microsystems, and user defined classes means the classes which we are writing, programmers are writing. And for every Java predefined class, I repeat, every Java predefined class always starts with a capital letter. When you're speaking about user defined classes, can start with both small letters and capital letters. But it is highly recommended to start a Java class name with a capital letter. And when you're speaking about methods also, how many types of methods are there? Come on, two types. Two types. What are those? Predefined methods and user defined methods. Yes, predefined methods and user defined methods. And what are predefined methods? The methods which are directly given by the Sun Microsystems. What are user defined methods? The methods which programmers are writing. As simple as this. And every Java predefined method, I repeat, once again, every Java predefined method always starts with a small letter. But when you're speaking about user defined methods, you can start with both small letters and capital letters. I mean, there is no problem here, as you wish, as you wish. Again, these methods are actually classified into two types, parameterized and non-parameterized. And you already know that what are parameterized methods and what are non-parameterized methods. Yes or no? Now, please tell me where we need to write parameters for a method. Where? Come on, that is correct. Come on. Inside the parenthesis. Okay, generally, what is the syntax of a method? Access modifier, return type, method name, parenthesis, open braces, and close braces. Inside those parentheses, what we will write? Parameters. And when we need to pass values for those parameters, whenever we are calling them. Guys, in our demo class, we already covered this. I believe you already know this, right? So just write the question, enough. Just write the question, no need to go with the answer. Just write the question. Just write the question. Just please try to write the question. What are user-defined classes and methods and predefined classes and predefined methods? As simple as this. Now, next question. Write it. Please write it. Please write it. Does JVM executes user defined methods automatically? Just a sec. Does JVM executes user defined methods automatically? Come on. Come on. Yes or no? Okay, I'll do one thing. Just let me try to have void method one, void method one, and syso. I'm just simply writing hi, and let me go to my main method, and inside my main method, I'm just simply trying to write syso hello. Now, what is my output? Hi or hello? Only hello. Hi will not be printed. Now, method one is a predefined method or user defined method? Answer. So, are you saying method one will not be executed by the JVM? Yes or no? Why? We are not calling. Now, answer my question. Okay, just let me try to execute, right click, run as Java application. And yes, of course, I'll be getting my output as hello. Now, answer my question. Come on. Does JVM executes user defined methods automatically? Yes or no? The simple answer is a big no for that. No. JVM will not be executing user defined methods. A method will be executed only whenever you are. Please write that. Please. Please. We already covered all these concepts, guys. We already covered each and every question in our demo classes. I'm just giving you like a question, just like a question. Now, okay. Who wants to answer this next question? Question I'll show later. First, tell me who wants to answer. Okay, good. Now, guys, please listen to this. Please listen to this. Whenever I ask you this question, who wants to answer? Listen. Who wants to answer? I want everyone to raise your hand. Just raise. You can do this. Just raise it. Don't kill your confidence. Can you do that for me? I believe in you. What's the problem with you? Come on. Now tell me, who wants to answer? Down. Buddy, last. Red shirt. Red t-shirt. Sit down, sit down, sit down. No. The reason why I gave him a chance is you already lifted your hand for the first time, right? No, last person. Now, this is the question. This is the question. Guys, silence, please. Please, silence, 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 silence. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, the first question is, how many user-defined methods we can write in a class? We can write any number of, like infinite number of methods. Very good. Second question is, what is the order of their execution? First, it will start from main method. And then, no, you're saying your program execution starts from main method and ending, ends with main method. My question is, for example, if I write 5 methods, what is the order of their execution? Come on, guys, wait, please. First, it will go to the main method. Perfect answer. Perfect answer. First, we'll be going to the main method. Like our compiler will be going to the main method. From the main method, in which order we are calling, in that particular order, those methods will be getting executed. Am I right or wrong? Now, everyone knows this answer, right? Only 3 to 4 people raise the hand for the first time. And in those 3 to 4 people, that guy is one person. This is what happens in interview also. Please don't get scared. You know the answers in interview. Come on, guys. All Java interviews are literally the same. All Java interviews are same. You just need to enter into the interview room. That's it, with confidence. You can do this. You will do this. You should do this. Am I clear with this? So please don't kill your confidence. You can do this. Come on. I'll not be asking you the question which I did not covered in my classes. I'll be asking you a question. I'll be asking you a question. Whatever the concepts which I had covered, in those concepts only I will ask. So if you are confident in those concepts, happily you can answer. Right. Now, how many user-defined methods we can write in a class? We can write any number of methods inside a class, and in which order we are calling them from the main method. In that particular order, they will be getting executed. Please go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, online students, I'm seeing your answers. That is good. That is good. I'm seeing your answers, guys. That is good. That is good. Abdul, I'm seeing your answers. I'm seeing your answers. Okay. Please don't think like I'm not seeing. I am seeing your answers, Abdul. Right, buddy? Okay. Yeah, Praveen, that's good. That's good. I'm just not mentioning the names. That's it. But I'm seeing your answers, guys. I am seeing your answers. Okay. Now, question number 7. Question number 7. How can we call the user defined methods present in a class? Come on, go ahead. Okay, guys, how to call a method present in a class? Come on, come on. With the help of its respective. Go ahead, please. Please write. How can we call the user-defined methods present in a class? We can call a user-defined method present in a class with the help of its respective class object. As simple as this. Don't forget the word respective. Online students, your answers, I can see this. Please don't ask me, sir, is my answer visible? I'm seeing your answers. I am seeing. If you are sending a message to Kishan, your message is visible. I'm the host, right? So if you are sending a message, select my name. Whenever you are sending a message, select my name. Kishan and Naresh ID. You will be having two. Select my name and then you can respond. Okay. Now, how can we call user-defined methods present in a class? We can call a user-defined method present in a class with the help of its respective class object. Okay then. Now, next question. Now, how to create a class object? Guys, for this question, I want complete and precise answer. Complete answer. I want complete answer for this question. How to create an object? If you want, feel free to refer your previous running notes. feel free to refer previous running notes. Please refer. Complete answer. Complete answer. I said complete answer. First, starting demo classes, we have written this. Try to refer that answer and right now, write the answer without seeing. For example, if I need to write this answer, I'm going to write like this. If you want to create an object, we need to use new keyword and initialize that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same as, that's it, done. Please don't forget the basics. Just don't forget the basics, please. How to create a class object? We can create a class object with the help of new keyword and initialize that object with the help of a constructor, and constructor name will be same as class name. Don't forget the word initialize. Yes, Jayesh, Srijana, Gina, Ajit, Nirmal, Meghana, Mahi. Yes, that is good, guys. That is good. Arjun, yes. Naveen, that is good. That is good. Sadik, please give complete answer, not just by using new. Okay, try to write the answer in your notes, guys. Please. How to create a class object. All right. All right. Now, now, just let me try to go with the next question. But before going to the next question, guys, please check this. Please check this. Before going to the next question, I want to show you one small program. Okay. Hello. And method two, method one call. And in method two also, I'll try to write method two call like this. Let me just try to create an object equal to AOBJ belongs to class A, and then AOBJ dot method one, and I want to have a small differentiation line so that we'll not be getting any confused here. Just a small line, and then just AOBJ dot method two. AOBJ dot method two. Now, method one. Actually, what is the difference between method one and method two? Did you observe clearly? In line number 8, I am using system.out.println. In line number 9 also system.out.println. But in line number 14 and line number 15, I am having only print. Just print statement. Now, let me try to execute my program. Right click, run as Java application. Now wait for it. Guys, just guess the output. Try to write the output in your notes. Just try. Just try. I mean, I want you to please write the output in your notes. Please try to write the output. Just try to write the output in your notes. Please, please. Difference between print and print ln. Guys, print ln means after printing, the cursor will be coming to the next line. Print means the cursor will be present in the same line. As simple as this, not more than that. Now, please guess the output. Did you do that? And now I am running my program, and is this the output which you are guessing? Yes? Okay. Okay. Now, let me just try to have one more method. Void method 3. Now, guys, please listen. Please listen. My requirement is you need to use 5 system.out statements. 5 statements, and my output should be in 3 lines. My output should be in 3 lines. Means if I execute my program, just okay. Now I will just try to call method 3 also. Just let me try to write aobj dot method 3. Now if I call method 3, I should be getting my output as I love Java because it is awesome. Java is object-oriented programming language. This is the output what I am expecting. Did you understand my statement? But you should write these in 5 statements. You should write these in 5 statements, but you need to print only 3 lines. Did you understand? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Come on. Come on. Please have this program also, please. First write method 1, method 2. Go ahead, please. You need to print 3 statements in 5 lines. Online students, please give me complete answer. Don't give me shortcut, please. Abhishek, give me the code. Give me the code, Abhishek. Right. You need to use all the 5 statements. In every statement, you should be writing some data. Completed? Writing. This is Ellen. If completed, please feel free to show me, please. Hey, don't use shortcut. Shortcut means it should be at least, what is that? No, something is missing. No. Perfect. 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 Come on. Not exactly. I want my output like that. I want my output exactly like that. I love Java because it is awesome. Java is OOP language. No. SOS for means no. No. Perfect. No. Hang on. No, no, no. No. Simple. Done. 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 Simple. Done. No. Wait, 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 wait. This is print. All this is print. No, I don't want to use like this. I want to use this data. You are using next line. I don't want that. I want you to use this string data in system statements. Perfect. 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 Wrong output. You'll be getting wrong output. Okay. Okay. Now, guys, please check this. System dot out dot print ln. Let me just try to go like, for example, I'll go with print. Okay, let me go with print ln. No problem. System dot out dot print ln. And here I'm going with I love Java. Okay. Now, system dot out dot print because system dot out dot print it is it is system dot out dot print awesome, and then system dot out dot print ln, and here I'm going to write a statement that is Java is OPLANGUAG. Most of the people wrote like this, but if you're writing like this, you'll be getting the data in 2 lines, not in 3 lines. Please observe. First, I love Java. Okay. After that, the cursor will be coming to the next line. Okay. In the next line, because, okay, still the cursor is there only. After that, it is, okay, still the cursor is there only. Same line. Same line. Okay, guys, please check this. First, I love Java. Okay. After that, because and space. Still the cursor is here only. System dot out dot print, it is still the cursor is there only. Okay, next one, system dot out dot print, awesome. Okay, after printing awesome also, still the cursor will be in the same line. So if you are using Java is OOP language, just let me try to go like this. If you are using this, then what is our output, like this. Your output, that is Java is OOP language, will be printed in the same line. After printing this, then the cursor will be coming to the next line. So our output, please check this. Right click, run as Java application. Did you understand the concept here, guys? Please respond. Right. Okay. Now, let me just try to change this. I want to change this. Here, I will use ln. I'll use ln. So, after printing awesome, then it will be coming to the next line. Okay. Why here we are getting hi and hello? Where is this line? Where is this line? Method 2. Oh, here, method 2. Okay, we'll use one more statement like this so that our program output will be easily. Okay, let me try to write like this, because it is awesome. Now, once again, right click, run as Java application. Yes. Did you got the concept here, guys? So print means after printing, the cursor will be in the same line. It will not come to the next line. Whenever you are using ln, after printing, then it will be coming to the new line, next line. I hope it's clear, guys. Online students, kindly please respond. Online students, kindly please respond. Is this clear? Prithviraj, please respond. Please respond. Right. So, guys, once again, I'm saying you, if you are using print ln, Nana, please listen. Come on. If you are using print ln, after printing, the cursor will be coming to the next line. If you are using print means after printing, the cursor will be present in the same line. It will not come to the next line. As simple as it is. Right. Okay. Now, guys, I hope it's clear, guys. Online students. Good. Now, guys, tomorrow we are going to discuss a very nice concept, but it will be very hard for you to understand. It would be something like a horror thriller kind of movie. Why I'm saying this? Because generally when you are speaking, okay, for example, I believe most of the people have watched Sherlock Holmes movie. Sherlock Holmes, like detective kind of movies. In that kind of movies, generally what happens, starting of the movie only we will be getting the hint, but we will be understanding that hint climax, ending of the movie. Am I right or wrong? Hey, yes or no here? Exactly in the same manner. Tomorrow we'll be trying to discuss a concept. You will understand that concept, but you will not be able to imagine where we will be using that. Why? Because in our coming classes, we will be using those concepts. Guys, don't even dare to miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class is like heart of Java. Not speaking about core Java, heart of Java. Am I clear with this? That's it, guys. That's it for today. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you. Online students, I hope you enjoyed our today's session. Wait. Online students, kindly please respond. I hope you enjoyed our today's session. So we'll be trying to continue our session again by tomorrow, guys. And once again, I'm requesting you guys, kindly please respond in the chats. I'm not saying you are not listening. You are listening. I know that. Shubham, wait for the topic. Have some suspense here. Have some suspense. Wait for it. I know you guys are listening, but please make sure you're responding in the chat. Okay. Sadiq, feel free to ask it. Please feel free to ask it. Okay. Split screen, Sadiq, just drag it. Hold the tab and just